Hi everyone, especially hi to the class 12 students who are going to face the 12th board examinations, 12th board examination from February. So February, so 28th you have a chemistry board examination. So regarding that, so on the basis of that, so I have planned a quick revision of all the 10 chapters along with some how they are asked, along with that I will show you some questions, papers, how they are asking the questions in the board exam, previous board examinations. At the same time, this time how they will ask the questions in the board examination. We will discuss one by one. First, you should have a clear-cut idea how many chapters are there in your class 12th chemistry that you need to study. So totally we have a 16 chapter, no need to study all the 16 chapters. You should know that there is nearly 6 chapters they are deleted for board exam purpose. For 2023 board examination, you have to study only 10 chapters. Out of 2 volumes, you have 2 volumes. From first volume you have to study 5 chapters, second volume you have to study 5 chapters. That's it. So actually in the first volume there are 9 chapters. Out of 9, 4 chapters deleted. It means you have to study only 5 chapters. Out of 9, 4 deleted, 5 you have to study. That is solution chapters you have to study, and electrochemistry chapter you have to study. And this electrochemistry chapter carries more weightage, around 9 marks. Next, chemical kinetics. So these two are from physical part, solutions and electrochemistry, and chemical kinetic, this is from physical part. Inorganic part, only 2 chapters are there. Only 2 chapters from inorganic part, that is D and F block elements and coordination compounds. These 2 are from the inorganic part. And organic part, 5 chapters there. So organic part 5 chapters, that is haloalkenes and haloarenes, alcohols, phenols and ethers, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids. This will carry more weightage. Remaining chapters are aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid, weightage is 8. So remaining chapters are weightage is 6. Okay, and amine chapter and biomolecules. This is the only 10 chapters you need to cover. You are very lucky people compared to the previous children. Why? Because they have studied 16 chapters for board exam purpose. 16 chapters. In that P block is very tough to study. They studied that. For you, there are no P block elements, nothing. So they made very easy chemistry. Chemistry part they made very easy. So no need to fear of the chemistry examination, because very easy exam, very easy topic. So one topic you have to study well. That is electrochemistry part, somewhat difficult, not very difficult chapter, somewhat. So if you put a more effort, you can understand that also very easily. So we will solve all, I will clarify all your doubts in the coming videos. So just I should know where you are facing problem. So that only I can able to give a solution to your problems. So in coming videos, we will start with the solution chapter. I will give the quick revision of the solution chapter. So after that, I'll solve some questions, problems, mainly from the solution chapter. They'll ask problems. They'll ask mainly problems. And very theory part is very small question, very simple question they'll ask. So in the solutions, 2 topics are very important. Solution chapter, that is ideal and non-ideal solutions and colligative properties. This is ideal and non-ideal solutions based upon the Raoult's law and colligative properties. These 2 topics are very important. You should be thorough with these 2 topics. Definitely we will get some problems or a question from these two topics. Colligative properties, Raoult's law. You should be very thorough with it. Next, from the second chapter, there is chemical kinetics. In the electrochemistry. The second chapter, electrochemistry, there is more weightage. So it has a weightage around the 9 marks. 9 marks weightage. Solutions is only 7 marks weightage. So electrochemistry is 9 marks weightage. Out of all 10 chapters, so electrochemistry, they are given a more importance. 9 marks the weightage. 9 marks weightage. Be careful about it. So here also some important topics are there. So one is Nernst equation based questions. Nernst equation based questions they will ask, and conductance of electrolytic solutions. From that they will ask some questions. Conductance of electrolytic solutions, very very important topic. So after that, Nernst equation, calculation of E cell at non-standard conditions. Calculation of E cell, electromotive force at non-standard conditions. So that topic is very very important. We should be thorough with that topic. Other than that, other topics are very easy only. So we will cover all these things in coming videos. Next topic is chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics that carries 7 marks weightage, around 7 marks weightage it is, 7 marks weightage. So this is also one of the easier somewhat. So here in this we have to know about the rate of, what do you mean by rate of reaction, first order reaction, second order reaction, zero order reaction. Some examples they have. So we will solve all those things. So in this chapter we can't say this is important, this is non important, and mainly from the order of reactions. So they will ask us some questions, problems they will ask. We will solve all the problems from here. So no need to worry about it. So in D and F block elements, very easy chapter totally. It's inorganic part, like theory part. So you should know about what are the D elements, what are the F elements, what are their properties, oxidation states, mainly oxidation states. From D block elements, mainly they will ask some oxidation states. So here we have one small topic, transition state, transition elements. So what is the difference between the D and the transition elements? So you should know that. So we will clarify that also. That also we do. In F cases, they will ask one lanthanide contraction. It's a very small question, easy question. We will solve all this. Next, coordination compounds. Okay. So coordination compound also very easy. In this you have to thorough with the 2 important theories. So here we have so many topics are there. Small definitions are there, and along that nomenclature is also there. Isomerism also there in the coordination compounds, isomerism, and along that you should be thorough with the 2 important theories. One is valence bond theory. So they will ask some questions based upon the valence bond theory by giving one complex compound. They will ask what is the hybridization of the compound, what is the geometry of the compound, what is the magnetic nature and magnetic momentum of the compound, whether it will exhibit the color or not. So this type of question they will ask one day. So next, one more theory, important theory there, that is crystal field theory. Very very important theory. You should be thorough with this. So we'll see all these things in the revision classes one by one. And this is the only 5 chapters from inorganic, from the first volume. 3 from physical part, 2 from inorganic part. And mainly next one is very somewhat tough. Why? Because mostly the 12th children, they have some problem, more problem in organic part. Not in inorganic, organic part, second volume. Why? Because here they may have so many confusions. You need to learn more equations. You need to remember the more reagents. Oh God, like that they will think. If you understand organic part, no, it is very easy than the inorganic and physical. Very easy then. Some people they may have sir, this many reagents, how we can able to remember, sir, very very difficult, sir, like that. They will see. If you know the logic, what reagent you have to put here. Then it has become easy. Very easy. And all the 5 except biomolecules, remaining chapters, that is that is first chapter, haloalkenes and haloarenes, alcohols, phenols, ethers, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, amines are interrelated chapters. Interrelated. No new thing from the no new thing you learn in the next chapters. Next one chapter. All are interrelated. If you thorough with the first, that is haloalkenes, haloarenes, the same will be repeated in the next chapter. No new things in these chapters. Everything will repeats. Reagents will repeats, and the chemical reactions also repeats. So everything will repeats in this chapters. Very easy compared to the inorganic and physical part. So organic part, that is first volume is second volume is very easy if you understand. If you work, just you need to work hard, and just you have to remember some reagents. What reagent you have to put here to get the product? What the main product? Why main product? That is reason that you have to study. So I'll give a clear-cut idea about that. So that help you very lot for you. So please follow the videos, and also you have to message like a chat box. What are the chapters you are facing some problems? That chapters first I will give you first tutorials to give a revision. So I will revise all the 10 chapters, 1 hour basis. I will revise all the chapters quickly, and you should be thorough with. Along that, I should know where you are facing problem. Then only I can stress more in that particular topic. Okay, so use these videos for your board examinations, and I am ready to help you in all the ways, content based and also revision based. So I'll help you. I will help you for 12th children. This is your second board examination. So compared to 10th people, you may have a less fear, but here you are studying separately. Chemistry separately, physics separately, biology separately. But in the 10th standard, you studied all combinedly, very less chapters. But here, somewhat detail you are studying out each and everything. So use these videos for your board exam purpose. So 28th only you have exam, 28th chemistry board examination, 28th February you have a board examination. So very less time is there, not even 1 month time. So in that you have to put some days for your English examination. So from English to your board examination, very less gap is there. English to your chemistry examination, very less gap is there. So try to complete now itself. Use that days for revision purpose. So you will get a very good score in the chemistry examination. So use these videos. Try to subscribe this channel. You have to use this channel, these videos for your purpose. So your board purpose. Thank you. Have a nice day.